Hi there, Stuart from Digma here. Just going to quickly show you how you can add an overlay to your hotspot using Digma. So once your image is uploaded and you've got your hotspots in place, you can click on the hotspot, click on the overlay section. If you enable it, now when you click on the hotspot, you can start adding plugins into your overlay. So quickly add a title, you can add a paragraph, and you can add a button. Let's say lots of plugins that you can add, but we're just going to do these for now. These are all configurable in the right hand side under configuration. Hit save, and that's you done. Now when you preview, you hit on the hotspot, you get your nice overlay with all your content inside. What do you think about that? Pretty cool. Bye.